Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 best AI video maker tools. These tools can turn your text, blogs, or even simple ideas into professional quality videos without needing expensive equipment or editing skills. So let's jump right in. At number 1, we have Pictory AI. This tool can instantly transform your blog posts or scripts into engaging videos. It comes with auto captions, stock footage, and background music, all done automatically. Perfect for YouTubers, bloggers, and marketers who want quick results without heavy editing. Number 2 is Synthesia AI, one of the most popular AI avatar video creators. You can choose from 140-plus avatars that look just like real humans, speaking in over 120 languages. This is perfect for explainer videos, online courses, and business presentations. No camera, no studio, just pure AI magic.
My name is Sabrina Childress. I work for SAP, a global B2B software and technology company. I work within a team called the SAP Experience Garage, which is part of.
Coming in at number 3, invideo AI. With just a few lines of text, it can generate professional marketing videos, social media content, and even YouTube shorts. It has hundreds of ready-made templates, making it beginner-friendly and fast.
I'm accountable for all of it. This is
Embrace of Korean skincare, Regelica unveils the secret to timeless beauty.
look. I'm gonna be
At number 4, we have Lumen 5. This tool is amazing for turning blog posts or articles into short, shareable social media videos. If you're running a business page or want to boost your personal brand, this is a tool you should definitely try. And finally, number 5. Runway ML. This one is a little advanced, but super powerful. It offers text-to-video generation, AI green screen, background removal, and even motion tracking. If you're a creative filmmaker or video editor, this tool is a game changer. So those were my picks for the top 5 best AI video maker tools in 2025. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, all the links to try these tools are in the description. Go check them out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Sometimes they show up when you're up late.